Search for appMink. Okay, kids, let's learn some letters.
A. Apple. B. Ball. C. Car. D. Door. E. Eggs. F. Flower. G. Gift. H. Hat. I. Ice cream.
That was great! Let's check them out one more time. Now, let's take a break. Search for appMink. Hi everyone, and welcome back to appMink. Today, Mr. Train is going to help us learn about numbers. Look at all those numbers we're going to get to learn today. First up, we have number 1, and we have one monster car next to it. The crane and trucks are helping us with some logs. Hi, Mink.
Hi.
Oh, and you've got number 2, just like how you have 2 arms and 2 legs. The school bus and the monster truck are helping us out with this one. Now number 3, and look, 3 stars. The dump truck is going to help us create the 3 using nuts. Next comes the number 4, and it's surrounded by 4 umbrellas. Mr. Train is going to show us how to make a 4. Great work! Oh no, number 5 is surrounded by 5 of evil Dr. Pig's minions. But don't worry, Mr. Helicopter is here to show us how to make one. Now, number 6. look at all the presents. This time, Mr. Police Car will help us. Now, number 7. That's how many colors there are in a rainbow. The monster truck is making a 7 with Lego bricks. And guess what? For number 8, we have 8 Lego bricks as well. Lots of cars are showing us how to make an 8. Now we get to number 9, and there's 9 apples. Let's make a 9 on the wall with a paint roller. Finally, number 10, with 10 balloons. Mr. Train is making the 0, and the logs are making the 1. Now let's go through them all one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Thanks for showing us how to count to 10, Mr. Train. We had lots of fun. Don't forget to subscribe to appMink so we can learn more cool things. See you next time. Search for appMink.
Hi everybody, and welcome back to another educational adventure with Mr. Train and everyone from appMink Town. Hi Mr. Train. Today, we're going to learn about shapes. How many shapes do you know? Let's find out. The first shape is a circle. Did you know that the sun is a circle? Look at how happy he is about it. The police car and the school bus are showing us how the circle goes round and round. Next is the triangle. Did you know pyramids are made from triangles? These pyramids come all the way from Egypt. Mr. Train is showing us the triangle shape this time. Our third shape is the square. A square has 4 sides. Look at those exciting square presents. I wonder what's inside. The monster truck is bringing us 4 Lego blocks to make the 4 sides of the square. Our next shape is the pentagon. Did you know that the black spots on soccer balls are pentagons? But not the white spots. We'll find out about those next. The crane trucks are bringing us logs to use as the 5 sides of the pentagon. Stop! Oh, wait, it's just our next shape, the hexagon. Now, if we line up the holes at the end of these 6 beams, we can make a hexagon. Let's lock them in place with the screws. Our 6th shape is a super shape. It's the star. And we have our superstar star here with us too. What's this? What is evil Dr. Pig doing? Oh, he's pretending to be Pac-Man and eating Pac dots in the corners of the star. Now, we've got a diamond shape. Most kites are diamond shaped, with the tail flowing down from the bottom point. To make a diamond, we're going to get some help from our good friend, Mr. Dump Truck. Next is one of the loveliest shapes, the heart shape. Look at all the heart that little bear has got to give. Remember to give the people you love hearts like this bear, to show them you care. Mr. Helicopter is going to draw a big heart in the sky for us. Thanks so much, Mr. Helicopter. It looks great. Our 9th shape is the oval. And what are the ovals we have in the basket? That's right, they're eggs. The dump truck is going to dump the eggs in the shape of an oval. It's an oval of ovals. Great work, Mr. Dump Truck. Our last shape is the rectangle. It looks like a stretched out square. Let's build a rectangle out of blocks. And now that we know how to make one, we can paint a rectangle on the wall. If you think you can draw a rectangle as well, draw one in the air with your finger. That's all of the shapes for today. Let's go through them one more time. Circle, triangle, square, pentagon, hexagon, star, diamond, heart, oval, and rectangle. Thanks so much for your help, Mr. Train, and everyone else from appMink. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you next time!
Search for appMink. Ready for more? Okay.
J. Jelly. K. Kite. L. Lamp. M. Magnet. N. Nut. O. Orange. P. Piano. Q. Queen. R. Rose.
Great work, everyone. Let's take these letters for a ride. Search for appMink TV. Hi everyone. Today's another beautiful day at appMink Town. And guess what? We've got another lesson for you from Mr. Train. Are you excited? I know I am. Let's get started. Today we're learning about fruit. Do you know what fruit is in this box? It's bananas. Bananas grow on palm trees and love to be eaten by monkeys. You just peel the yellow skin off and chow down. Now, what fruit is this? It's an apple. There are over 7,000 different types of apples. If you tried one per day, it'd take you 20 years to taste them all. Apples are delicious, but make sure you don't eat the middle. That bit's not very tasty. To get apples, we plant an apple seed from the core in the ground, and it grows into an apple tree. Now what's our next fruit? It's a pear. Pears come in different colors, including green, orange, yellow, and even red. And they grow on trees much like apples. The wood from pear trees can be used to make lots of nice things, like ornaments, tables, and musical instruments like the cello. Now our next fruit often comes in pairs. It's cherries. Cherries grow on beautiful trees called cherry blossoms. They produce about 800 cherries. Cherries are great when you have them with dessert, like cupcakes or pies, and look great on top. Wow! Look at the size of that cherry pie!
Wow.
I hope that's not just for you, Fennec Fox. Now this fruit will be hard to guess. Can you get it? It's a coconut. Coconuts grow on palm trees in tropical places like deserted islands. The trees can reach 20 meters tall, which is as high as an 8th floor building. Hi, Big Mink.
Hi. Ah, coconut.
Now I bet you can all guess this fruit. It's the pineapple. Pineapples grow out of the ground and are actually a type of berry. If you slice off the top, you can use it to grow a new one. Wow, Mink, that pineapple is gigantic! Maybe you should invite your friends to help eat it.
Wow, look at
The
it.
largest pineapple is 32 centimeters long and weighed over 8 kilograms. Does everybody know this next fruit? It's lemons. Lemons grow on trees much like apples and pears. The trees are called evergreens and produce fruit all year. Oh, you like lemons, Miss Mink? No, too sour. Lemons are tastiest when you make lemonade by squeezing out their juices. You can also use lemons as a battery. Isn't that amazing? Okay, on to the next fruit. It's oranges. Oranges are another fruit that grows on trees like lemons. Oranges are like the children of pinellos and the older brothers of mandarins. To eat an orange, first peel off the skin, which you can then use to make some nice tea or for making cakes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oranges usually break into 10 pieces after you take the skin off. Our next fruit is an old favorite. It's strawberries. Strawberries are covered in lots of tiny little seeds, the only fruit like this. There can be as many as 200. They grow on long stalks that come out of the ground that only produce fruit for 5 years. Strawberries are another fruit that goes great with dessert. The pineberry is a type of strawberry that's very pale and tastes like a pineapple. Do you know what our next fruit is? It's blackberries. They hang off the end of long branches. But watch out for the thorns. Blackberry leaves are great in tea, and if you feed blackberries to bees, they make delicious, dark, fruity honey. You can even use them to make pies, creams, ice creams, and jams, and they're all delicious. What do we have this time? It's the blueberry. Blueberries are great because you can eat lots of them before you get full. You can also use blueberries to make paint, so you and your friends can paint beautiful pictures. And just like other berries, you can make lots of delicious things like jams, pies, and ice creams. Thanks for another awesome lesson, Mr. Train. Let's go through them again. Banana, apple, pear, cherry, coconut, pineapple, lemon, orange, strawberry, blackberry, and blueberry. Thanks everyone for joining us on this learning adventure. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Search for appMink. Okay, ready for the last part, everyone? Let's go!
S. Star. T. U. Unicorn. V. Violin. W. Wheel. X. Xylophone. Y. Yellow. Z. Zip.
That's it, everyone. That's the whole alphabet. Amazing work. Now, let's take these letters for a drive too. Thanks for joining us to learn the alphabet, everyone. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Alright, now we're over at the appMink Town Railway Station. And guess what? We're going to build Mr. Train. Let's start assembling him. Now, what have we got here?
Rocket.
That's right! And where does a rocket go to?
Space.
Great work! Look at that! The rocket was actually part of the train! Starting to look good, Mr. Train. Now the dump truck is here. What have you got for us?
Wheels.
Wow, thanks so much. That'll be a great help. And what's next?
Engine.
That's right, the engine helps the wheels work. All right, just the finishing touches left. Now, what have we got here?
Train.
That's right, it's Mr. Train. And what's this he's going to pull?
Wagon.
Yep, a wagon. Let's watch him go. Wow, looking great, Mr. Train.
Move back!
Please stay behind the yellow line. Mr. Train is almost here.
Hello, Spinner. Hey! Welcome aboard, Boxy Box.
Thank you, Mink.
Crayon did it.
Good job, Crayon. Let's go, Mr. Train.
Always look left and right at a traffic stop. Mr. Train is going right.
Yay!
Oh wow, Mr. Train is going through a tunnel.
Cool!
Mr. Train is arriving at stop number 1.
This is my stop. Bye, everyone.
See you!
Hurry up, Boxy. You're late.
Bye-bye, Cubes. See you tomorrow.
Bye, bye.
Bye,
Mr.
bye,
Train.
Mr. Train. Bye,
Bye,
Mink.
Mick. Bye, Mick. Mr. Train is going up a ramp. There is a bridge.
Hold on, everyone. Whee!
The cars are waiting for Mr. Train to pass. Now the cars can go. Another train is passing by.
All clear. Here we go.
What's this? Both trains are stopping here.
Let's go! Let's go!
Let's go.
Yeah! Whoa, yeah!
Woo, woo.
This is my stop! Yippee! Goodbye, Spinner. Goodbye, everyone.
Bye.
Mr. Train, please stop. Mr. Train, Mink. Crayon, are you okay? What's the problem? My stop was back there. We missed my stop. Don't worry, Crayon. We're going back.
Mr. Train is moving backwards. He's going very slowly to be careful. Look, Crayon's friends.
Hello, Crayon.
Phew, that was close. Hello, everybody. Well, shall we go, Mr. Train? Ooh, wait, Mr. Train, wait, Mink. I just wanted to say thank you. You're welcome, Crayon.
See you soon.